to day 3, ay day 4 na pala. And we are going for breakfast again. So anyway, here is my outfit. So, punta kami breakfast and then tambay na lang. Ayoko na mag-swimming today. Let's go. Pindutin mo na.
Sabay ko magdilagan. Diyan naman.
Good morning, good morning. Tara na. Basa tuloy yung... Pagkain mo. Hello guys! So we are back at the hotel now and it's only currently past 4 p.m. and the reason why umuwi na kami is because I received a notification from AirAsia that our flight is unfortunately canceled tomorrow because of the typhoon. May bagong typhoon na paparating na naman and I think it's greatly impacting yung Aklan area. So it's understandable na ma-cancel yung flight for tomorrow and yun nga wala nang available flights for tomorrow ng kahit anong oras. So everything is canceled. And so ayun, medyo na-stress ako and so I asked my mom to just go back to the hotel now. And syempre, kailangan naming mag-extend ng additional night. So, na-rebook ko na yung flight namin for Saturday. So, the following day. So, tomorrow is Friday. So, I was able to rebook na our flight to Saturday. And I hope and I pray na matapos na yung bagyo or at least wala ng bagyo or hindi na ganun kalakas yung bagyo at hindi na ma-cancel yung flight namin for Saturday. And ang nagpapastress lang naman sa akin talaga is syempre by extending an additional day or additional night here means need na naman gumastos. And syempre, budgeted lang naman yung funds ko for this trip. So that's why it's kind of stressing me out. I asked the hotel reception kanina sa baba kung magkano mag-extend ng one night here and it's 6,000 pesos. So very very expensive. It's parang almost 40% na nung total na binayaran ko dito for our 5-day stay. So syempre naghanap ako agad sa booking.com ng ibang pagstayan and fortunately I was able to find an accommodation for around 850 pesos for one night for 2 people na yun. So thankfully yun, nakabook naman ako. Pero ano na siya, parang transient place. So hindi siya hotel. So wala na siyang swimming pool or anything like that, which is okay kasi ayoko na din namang mag-swimming and may free breakfast pa rin naman. Pero yun, nakaka-stress lang talaga if things don't go according to plan and parang this is actually the first time na ma-cancel yung flight ko or ay hindi, parang technically naman na-cancel din yung original flight ko na to, di ba, nung July. Pero first time ko na ma-cancel yung flight ko during the trip, yung pauwi na. So yun. So medyo stressful. But I hope and I pray that hindi na ma-cancel yung flight namin for Saturday. So yan lang guys. Currently we are packing already kasi nga magcha-check out na kami tomorrow. And ayun, medyo madami kaming kailangang ayusin. So yun lang muna guys. I'll talk to you guys later.
Morning!
Hello guys! Welcome to day 5 here in Boracay. And eto, binabagyo na kami. But we are going for breakfast. It's currently 8 a.m. So this is
Hindi
the
kami makauwi.
situation here. Lakas yung ulan and hangin. Yun know. Ay, hopefully tumigil din siya. But let's go for breakfast. Saglit. Here is the situation. Actually, hindi naman malakas yung ulan. Pero makulong din. Lumakas na yung hangin. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Hey guys! So it's currently 11:30 a.m. na. So we're about to check out and we are all set to transfer to our next accommodation. So ayan, it's clean na. And okay naman tong Hue Hotel. Malaki yung room. Hindi ko lang gusto na yung sink is nasa labas siya ng CR. Other than that, it's a great room. And as for the rain, ayun, malakas pa din yung hangin. So magta-tricycle na lang kami. Or magpapatila muna kami ng ulan sa lobby siguro.
Dito tayo sa ano.
But yeah, let's go up na. Hey guys, so after a very stressful journey going to our new accommodation, nandito na kami sa Roy's Rendezvous Place. So medyo nahirapan kaming hanapin to because nasa beach front siya, or at least malapit sa beach front. So medyo looban from the main road. Ay, grabe. Sobrang stressful and ayun, ang lakas ng ulan, ang lakas ng hangin. So I hope that tomorrow tumigil na to at makauwi na kami. I just really wanna go home. So yun guys, nag-order lang kami ng food kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Late lunch kami guys. Ayan, kain. And the weather is still really bad. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. So yun, kain muna kami.
Matin na. Wala. Kaya butik na. Dahil kaya makaka.
Hello guys, good morning. It's the following day and we're about to have our breakfast before kami umuwi. So currently, ano lang naman siya, okay na yung weather. Cloudy, makulimlim, pero it's no longer raining and hopefully hindi na siya umulan at all until makauwi kami. So let's have some coffee. Coffee guys.
Kung ganito lang nangyari sa akin, ayaw ko.
Siyempre hindi na ako pupunta sa ganitong
Alam mo na, hindi ako makalakad sa malayo. Ano ka lang, ang layo-layo.
malay ko ba, alam ko ba. Eh nung here's our
Mayagan na to, yan naman,
breakfast. And ito ang current situation of the weather. Ayan, okay naman na. Hindi na siya maulan. Ay, sana makauwi na kami today. We're going home na guys. Ayan, dito kami. Ang dami ding pag-stayan dito ng mga mura. Wala pang 1K per night. O diba? Ayan na agad yung dagat eh. And then, yun na yung dagat guys. Very calm na. Daw may naliligo na ulit. And it's back to normal. Ang daming naliligo. It has calmed down. I'm hiding now. I'm shining. Like I'm born again. Hey guys, and we are finally home. Thank you, Lord. It's currently 3:30 p.m. na. So ayun, so I'm thankful that we have safely arrived and are now safely home. And nakapag-unpack na rin ako. Ayan, unpack na siya. And in fact, naglo-laundry na din ako. Agad-agad. And here's mom. So ayan. So lalabas lang kami because we haven't had our lunch yet. So it's going to be our late lunch or early dinner. I'm not sure kung magdi-dinner pa ako later. Pero I'm going to end this Boracay vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.